Student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I continue the lesson first three questions. Dear student, whatever I explained earlier, you understand very well, and on the basis of that video I also gave you some questions. I hope you know all the answer of that questions and you write in your rough copy. So student, from here we continue your lesson. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answers but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, "Now you rest and let me work." Dear student, when the king dug two beds, he stopped and he repeated his question to give the answer of his question. The hermit gave no answers, but in spite of this, he stood up and stretching his hand for the spade and said to the king that now you sit here and take rest, and then let me work now. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. And when the hermit said to give me the spade and I will work, then the king did not give the spade and continue to dig. मीन्स जब हर्मिट ने राजा से बोले कि अब मुझे जो है स्पेड दे दीजिए, मैं अब काम करूँगा, और आप बैठ कर के रेस्ट कर लें, तो इतना कहने के बाद भी किंग जो है स्पेड को नहीं दिए और अपने वर्क को कंटिन्यू रखे, मतलब डिगिंग के काम को कंटिन्यू किए. 1 hour passed, then the another. The sun went down behind the tree, and 1 hour passed. After that, the sun went down behind the tree. 1 घंटे बीत गए, सन जो है अब ट्री के पीछे हो गए. And at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said to the hermit, "I come to you, wise man, for an answering of my questions." And the king said to hermit that he came here to answer his questions. "If you can give me no answer, tell me so, I will return home." And the king said to hermit that if you did not give me answer, then I will return home. "Here comes someone running," said the hermit. The hermit said that someone comes here running. Means हर्मिट ने बोला कि यहाँ पे कोई जो है दौड़ता हुआ कोई आ रहा है. ओके स्टूडेंट, आई कंप्लीट हियर, एंड हियर इज द कॉम्प्रहेंशन चेक क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डिड द किंग वांट टू नो द आंसर ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चन. किंग जो है 3 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर क्यों जानना चाहता था. आई होप यू नो वेल. And second is, messages were sent throughout the kingdom, and this is the objective question, and here is the 4 options to fetch wise man, to find answer to the question, to look for the wise hermit को देखने के लिए, या to announce a reward for those who could give the answer in the questions. Means fourth option is correct in my opinion. And here second part is there. Okay student, the king turned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against the stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell into the ground. Okay, student, the king turned round and he saw a bearded man was running towards them, and his hands were pressed against the stomach, and from his stomach the blood was flowing. And that bearded man, when he reached the king, he fainted and fell into the ground. When that bearded man reached to the king, he fell to the ground. Fainted means lost conscious, बेहोश होना. जैसे ही किंग जो है पीछे की तरफ देखे, एक बियर्डेड मैन मीन्स दाढ़ी वाला आदमी जिसकी दाढ़ी थी, वह जो है उनकी तरफ दौड़ता हुआ आ रहा था. उसके जो हैंड्स थे अपने हाथों से अपने स्टमक को प्रेस किए हुए था, दबाए हुए था, और उसमें से ब्लड निकल रहा था. और जैसे ही वो राजा के पास पहुंचा, वह ज़मीन पे गिर गया और बेहोश हो गया. द किंग एंड द हर्मिट removed the man's clothes and found a large wound in his stomach. The king and hermit removed the man's clothing, whatever the man was wearing. The king and the hermit removed the cloths, and after removing the cloth, they found that a large wound in his stomach. जब वे कपड़े को रिमूव की तो देखे कि उसके पेट पे जो है एक बड़ा सा घाव बना हुआ है. द किंग वॉश्ड एंड कवर इट हिज हैंकरचिप, बट द ब्लड वुड नॉट स्टॉप फ्लोइंग. मीन्स द किंग वॉश्ड द ब्लड एंड कवर इट विद हिज हैंकरचिप. राजा जो है उसको साफ किए और अपनी खुद के रुमाल से, हैंकरचिप मीन्स जो रुमाल होता है हाथ को जो है पोंछने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, तो उसी अपने हैंकरचिप से जो है उसको वॉश किए. उसके बाद से उस पर कवर लगाए, मतलब उसको कवर किए जो घाव था. बट द ब्लड वुड नॉट स्टॉप फ्लोइंग, बट द ब्लड वॉज नॉट स्टॉप फ्लोइंग. लेकिन जो ब्लड था वह बहना बंद नहीं हो रहा था. The king redressed wound until the last the bleeding stopped, and after that the king redressed, उसको फिर से redressed किए, and he doing until the last bleeding was stopped. और वो तब तक redressed उसको करते रहे जब तक उस bearded man के पेट से ब्लड जो है बहना बंद नहीं हुआ. तब तक उसको जो है वह रेड्रेस करते रहे, घाव को साफ करते रहे. द मैन फेल्ट बेटर एंड आस्क्ड फॉर समथिंग टू ड्रिंक, एंड आफ्टर दैट द मैन फेल्ट बेटर, एंड दैट बियर्डेड मैन आस्क्ड द किंग टू गिव हिम सम ड्रिंक. और बाद में जो है जो मैन था, बेडेड मैन, उसको कुछ अच्छा महसूस हुआ. उसके बाद उन्होंने राजा से कुछ पीने के लिए मांगा. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. And the king brought some fresh water and gave to that bearded man. By this time the sun had set and air was cool. And at the same time the sun has set and the cool air blow there. The king with the hermit's help carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. And with the help of hermit, the king carried that wounded man into the hermit huts and laid him on the bed. राजा जो है उस हर्मिट के हेल्प से उस वाउंडेड मैन को जो है अंदर ले गए और उनके बेड पे उसको लेटाए. Okay student, I hope you understand whatever I teach you. The man closed the eyes and lay quiet, and that bearded man closed his eyes and lay down there. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, and the king, tired by his work, and he also complete the work, and the king also lay down there on the floor and slept throughout the night. The king also worked very hard, where he prepared the beds, 2 beds, and with the help of his bed. And after that, he was also very tired, and the king lay down on the floor and slept throughout the night. राजा भी इतना थके हुए थे कि वह फ्लोर पे ही लेट गए और पूरी रात सोते रहे.